Hello friends, today we are going to learn cell structure and functions. Discovery of the cell. In 1965, Robert Hooke observed slices of core from the bark of a tree under a simple magnifying glass. He noticed small boxes or compartments in the core slice. The boxes were separated from each other by a wall or partition. He named each box as a cell. These cells, which Hooke observed, were actually dead cells of plants. The cell. Cells are the basic structural units of living organisms. Some organisms are made up of a single cell and some are made up of many cells. The number of cells in a tall tree or an animal like an elephant or human being, a billions and trillions of cells. Organisms made up of many cells are called multicellular organisms. Example, a tree, a elephant. Organisms made up of only one cell are called unicellular organisms. Example, amoeba, paramecium. Shape of cells. Cells are of different shapes. Some cells keep charging their shape. Example, amoeba, white blood cells in human beings. Some cells are spherical, round, elongated, spindle shaped or branched. Size of cells. Cells in living organisms are of different sizes. They may be as small as millions of a meter, micrometer or micron, or large as a few centimeters. The smallest cell is the cell of bacteria, 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. The largest cell is the cell of an ostrich, 17 centimeter into 13 centimeter. Parts of a cell. The main parts of a cell are cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. The cell membrane gives shape to the cell, protects the inner parts of the cell and allows movement of materials in and out of the cell. In plant cell, the cell membrane is covered by another thick covering called cell wall. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance between the cell membrane and nucleus. It contains other components like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, vacuoles, etc. The nucleus is a spherical body generally found in the center of the cell. It has a membrane called nuclear membrane. It has a smaller spherical body called nucleus and thread-like structures called chromosomes. The chromosomes carry genes which transfer character from the parents to the offspring. Vacuoles are blank-looking structures in the cytoplasm. Vacuoles are large in size in plant cells and small in size in animal cells. Plant cells have several small colored bodies in the cytoplasm called plastids. The green colored plastids are called chloroplasts. They contain chlorophyll which help in photosynthesis. Structure of an animal cell and a plant cell. As you can see here, this is a structure of animal cell. And this is structure of plant cell. Comparison of plant cell and animal cell. Cell membrane, plant cell present, animal cell present. Cell wall, plant cell present, animal cell absent. Nucleus, plant cell present, animal cell present. Nuclear membrane, plant cell present, animal cell present. Cytoplasm, plant cell present, animal cell present. Plastids, plant cell present, animal cell absent. Vacuole, present, smaller in size, animal cell present, larger in size.